Welcome back to the skits. This today is going to be a very mommy vlog. One of those words. Who needs to be able to speak anymore? We're going to do some laundry. We're going to do some cleaning. We're even going to show you a kid's bedroom. The dust, it looks like Toys R Us vomited upon room currently. So we're going to clean and tidy. Yes, we've got our helpers. We've got our helpers. Let's get going, biscuits. We are going to tackle his bedroom. Heck yeah. Got some fort things. We'll probably leave the fort, but we're gonna. I don't think we're gonna do a huge amount of organizing, but I've got some new free boxes I got at Trader Joe's. There's empty cardboard boxes I'm gonna try to fit under the bed. Toys. We have this little cube organizer here from IKEA, and we were gonna buy a second one, but they're totally out because of the pandemic. Beautiful girl. So we're just gonna make do with what we have. I think this is a large box that I got from Costco. So I just refused to pay $20 a fabric container for a little tiny fabric container. Okay, we're gonna clean. I feel hot and sweaty from cleaning the kitchen, and it's not even all the way clean. Boy, I was so cold this morning. It's, you know, the postpartum hormones are like, woohoo, we're gonna take you to freezing to hot. It's like practice menopause, I always say. The postpartum period when all your hormones are letting out. Hello, is somebody headbutting me?
Headbutt?
Pear Bear's headbutting me? It didn't feel like that.
I'm headbutting too.
Oh, why are you headbutting the baby?
We did this. I had to remind it a lot of times.
Pear gets to sit around in mommy's arms drinking Dada milk. It's true. But be gentle, we don't want to hurt sister.
I hope it gets it.
Competition. I'm like, Abraham, mommy have 4 siblings. Imagine what that was like. 4 to me doesn't sound like a lot. I'm like, I don't have that many siblings. But then when I think about having 5 children, I go, oh my God. I used to think I was going to have 6 kids. My plan was going to be 6 kids because that's a 6-pack of root beer. And I loved root beer growing up. And I was like, that makes total sense. Then each kid gets a root beer. And now I just think, yeah. Oh, I found more of the pieces for the game, so that's good. Woohoo! So we have this fun acorn game, but it's missing all these pieces. I'm going to put it in here, and then we're going to put it in the game box. I need to have a little cupboard in the front. Somebody's trying to do stuff. I've tried this though. I've tried transitioning her to the packing bed. Every time she falls asleep in here, she's on to it. I get about 60 to 90 seconds, and then it's like, do I look like some kind of loser who is gonna sleep without you holding me? This we got when we went to Iceland. Everyone, do you remember when we went to Iceland for Mom's work? Took all those videos and photos. So
and also when I got the ram and then got...
That was a different trip. When you got rammed by the kid, that was in Berlin. That was a different trip. Okay, I'm getting distracted. We are going to put toys in here. Eyes light up red when it's going, and we want to try and brighten it, and it's huge. It's bigger than push-up. Yeah, that was not a smart decision. I'm like, here, let's go. Not at all.
Bye-bye! Instagram, we'll see you again. Bobby, next video will be holding Monday or cleaning. Bobby.
You know me
I
well.
don't know.
Fine, sir. How do you know me so well?
I know Mama Day will. I watched her Robin for like most of the last. Now.
Here we're gonna tidy up. We're gonna get everything all clean. Yes, Why is my talk to baby voice so squeaky? I don't know. I have a very squeaky. I have a high pitched voice anyway. I think. I never think this until I hear men speak, and then I'm like, whoa, you guys have way deeper voices than me. But then when I talk to babies, it gets even higher. Yes. Are you loving the milk? Yes, you are. Yes, you are, my darling. I'm gonna sign up from here because my camera is running out of batteries. Oh yeah, there's a little tiny under here. Don't worry, she can breathe. It just looks weird on camera. She breathes. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming along for our little day.